Hi folks, my name is Larry from Vermont Country Campers, and today we're going to be talking about the Rockwood pop-up ESP off-road machine. First I want to point out that this is marine grade vinyl and not canvas anymore, and it's got a 5-year warranty. This also sports a power tongue lift that'll help you when you're lifting up the camper. Also has an outside speaker and a place to put an outside grill. Has a nice awning, and it does have LED lights under it for your pleasure at night. This one here is higher off the ground. I think it's either 12 to 15 inches of clearance, so if you want to take it off-road, you're not going to have any trouble with the stumps, rocks, and what have you. Come on inside and I'll show you the rest. As we can see, we have a bed on the left, we have some storage above it, we have a bed on the right, we have a portable stove that goes in and out of the camper. We have a nice little dinette area with a nice little table, nice and comfy, plenty of room. We got a nice max air fan in here, keep you nice and cool, LED lighting, screens. It's really quite a unit, the LTD, the ESP LTD off-road machine. This is Larry from Vermont Country Campers with the Rockwood ESP 1640, over and out.